Om Namah Shivaya. Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good, and I'm back with yet another unboxing video. Today we have Mivi Duopods M30 in the house. Let's unbox these and see how they are. So without waiting any further, let's start with the unboxing. Well, this is the main box of Mivi Duopods M30, which says it has a deep and powerful bass. It is a made in India product and it is a Bluetooth device, obviously. And over here it says push the limits, that is a tagline of Mivi. Over here it says it is engineered and made in India, and at the back of the product it again says the product name, that is Duopods M30, the true wireless earphones, and some of the major specifications are also there. That is, it has HD stereo sound with a super solid bass, with a powerful 10.5 mm dynamic drivers, the Bluetooth connectivity, which is very seamless. I have tested it. Uh, Also, it is the one touch play pause, and also we can answer calls with these. It is a IPX4 sweat proof, and it is a proudly made in India product. And friends, I used to order such made in India products and unbox them for you. So please subscribe to my channel. Also, it says that it has 1 year of a limited warranty, and it comes in four stunning colors that I am showing you on the screen. That is beige, black, blue, and coral. Now let's unbox these Mivi Duopods M30 and see what we get inside this box. So it's quite hard to open it. So on opening this, we first get a user manual, and I suppose no one reads it. But for the proper knowledge of this product, I believe that you should read it. And the second thing, we get a card, a welcome note to the crew from Mivi, and we have the signatures of both the co-founders of Mivi. The third thing is the registration card. There is a QR code. You can scan it, and you can avail your 1 year of limited warranty from this card. And now we have the main product, that is the Mivi Duopods M30. Sorry, this is quite sleek one. I liked it. I like the form factor. The plastic also is very good. And these are the main TWS. Let me keep it aside and see what else we get in the box. The next thing we get is this. These are the extra pair of tips that we get in the box for the for your ears, and also we get a micro USB cable. Well, this is a downgrade. They should provide the Type C port and the Type C cable. This is not a good thing, but that's okay. As effective to the price, it is a nice thing. So this is a charging case of these Mivi Duopods M30, and as I already said that it is a very good, and the form factor is also very good. I mean, it is coming totally in my hand, and it is also very lightweight, and it has the charging indicators at the front, and at the back it has a micro USB port for charging these TWS, and also the click is also very good, and the quality of plastic is superb. And the company claims that it gives 42 hours of playback time on a single charge with this charging case, and each ear pod or the earbud or the TWS provides 7 to 8 hours of playback time, and these are the touch sensitive. That means you can play, pause, answer the calls, and do anything with these. You can map it by yourself, that how you want these to be in your hands, and uh, it is a very good product, and also it is IPX4 rated. So while doing exercise, if you sweat a lot, or some splashes comes over there, so it won't make any problem with these TWS. So overall it is a very good product. I had bought these Mivi Duopods M30 at a price of rupees 899, and its Best Buy link is available in the description box below. You can check out over there. This is all in today's unboxing video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos like this. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and please remember to wear the mask.